Shout out to everyone. Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines, and this is Mix D, your sexy cowboy, doing a live performance for you. So we'll be doing mga oldest but goodest song, mga who good love song, at saka marami pang iba. Ayan, at tabayanan nyo sa ating live broadcast. So hindi lang sa Bigo Live, naka-live din tayo sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Mix Derulo, if you want to check it out. Andyan yung ating YouTube channel, guys. Coming up for you. I see the lonely road that leads so far away. I see the distant light that left behind the day. But what I see is so much more than I can say, and I see in midnight blue. I see you're crying now, you found a lot of pain, and what you're searching for can never be the same. But what's the difference? 'Cause they say what's in the name, and I see you in midnight blue. And I will love you tonight, and I will stay by your side, loving you, and I'm feeling midnight blue. I see you standing there far along the way. I want to touch you, but the night becomes the day. I count the words that I am never gonna say, and I see you in midnight blue. And I will love you tonight, and I will stay by your side, loving you, and I'm feeling midnight blue. Ayan, shout out Lava. Ayan, sabi ni Lava, pogi talaga no pare koy. Ayan, shout out sa'yo Lava, coffee ka lang dyan. Sabi, puta pare, akala ko uula mo na kami. Patayin kita dyan eh. Bagong cowboy hat ko yan. Oh, shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout sa sponsor natin. May bagong cowboy hat na naman tayo. Oh, alam mo naman, magkasama na naman kami. Oh. Oh, kasi hindi natuloy yung yung mga bata. Oh, kasi wala naghatid. So, no choice. Ako na lang ang pumunta. Oo. Ganun ang nangyari. Love you tonight, and I will stay by your side, and loving you, and I'm feeling midnight blue. And I will love you tonight, and I will stay by your side, loving you, and I'm feeling midnight blue. Ayan, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe kayo sa akin YouTube channel, guys.